What if I told you that every sentence you say or write needs a noun? Sounds crazy, right? But it's true. Without nouns, our sentences would make no sense. Welcome to Learn English with AI, where learning English is easy and fun. In today's lesson, we're diving deep into one of the most important parts of speech, nouns. By the end of this video, you'll know what nouns are, their different types, and how to use them correctly. And don't forget, there's a fun quiz at the end to test your skills, so stay with me till the end. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, words like teacher, doctor, John, and Sarah represent people, while school, park, India, and London refer to places. Nouns can also be things, such as book, phone, chair, and water. Finally, nouns can represent ideas like love, happiness, freedom, and democracy. To understand how nouns function in a sentence, let's look at an example. Sarah reads a book in the park. Here, Sarah is a person, book is a thing, and park is a place. All of them are nouns. Not all nouns are the same. Some nouns are common nouns, which refer to general names of people, places, or things. Words like city, girl, river, and book fall into this category. On the other hand, proper nouns refer to specific names and always start with a capital letter. Examples include London, Sarah, Amazon River, and Harry Potter. For instance, in the sentence, I live in a city called New York, the word city is a common noun, while New York is a proper noun because it names a specific place. Nouns can also be divided into countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are things that you can count, and they have singular and plural forms. Examples include apple, one apple, two apples, chair, and dog. Meanwhile, uncountable nouns refer to things that cannot be counted individually, such as water, rice, air, and love. For example, in the sentence, I bought two apples, but I need some rice. The word apples is countable, but rice is uncountable. Another way to categorize nouns is as concrete or abstract. Concrete nouns refer to things you can see, touch, hear, smell, or taste, like table, music, perfume, and cake. Abstract nouns, on the other hand, represent things you cannot see or touch. These are emotions, qualities, or concepts, such as happiness, bravery, knowledge, and honesty. For example, in the sentence, she gave me a flower to show her love. The word flower is a concrete noun, while love is an abstract noun. Some nouns are called collective nouns because they refer to a group of people, animals, or things. For example, a team of players, a flock of birds, or a bunch of grapes are all collective nouns. In the sentence, the jury is discussing the case, the word jury is a collective noun because it refers to a group of people acting as one unit. Most nouns have singular and plural forms. Regular plural nouns simply add s or es to form the plural, such as dog to dogs and book to books. However, some nouns have irregular plural forms, like child to children, tooth to teeth, and man to men. For example, in the sentence, one child is playing, but many children are running. The word child changes to children in the plural form. Nouns play different roles in sentences. They can be the subject, as in the dog is barking. They can also be the object, like in she bought a book. Nouns often appear with adjectives, as in he has a beautiful house. Using nouns correctly helps create clear and meaningful sentences. Now it's time for a quick quiz. Let's see how much you've learned. Comment your answers below, and I'll reply to let you know if you're right. 1. What type of noun is Paris? A. Common noun. B. Proper noun. C. Abstract noun. 2. Which sentence contains a countable noun? A. I drink some water. B. She bought 2 apples. C. He feels happiness. 3. What is the plural form of child? A. Childs. B. Childes. C. Children. Great job today! Now you understand what nouns are, their different types, and how to use them correctly. Keep practicing and soon you'll be speaking English fluently. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to Learn English with AI, and hit the bell icon for more fun and easy English lessons. See you on the next video. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye for now.